Hey guys, welcome back to the Yo B1 channel. It's your girl Yo, and today we are getting into another Slay Chronicles episode here on the channel. Today we dipped into our Born Beautiful Butterfly Kisses Naturals palette to create this look. We also used our BB Glams, and I used some glitters that's not a part of my brand. However, I do think it made the look really pop out, and it did a little something for it. This? Yeah. So I have been seeing, like, because I'm always looking up like crochet styles and stuff like that, and I would see the girls who had their head shaved on the side, and I was like, man, I've been wanting to do it for the longest, and I'm like, this is probably the best time to do it. We're in quarantine. If it doesn't look good, I can always, just wear my wigs or wait for it to grow out or whatever, until I have to really go back into the public. But I was like, yeah. I said, hubby, let's do this. And so he grabbed the clippers and he hooked your girl up. And I did a whole video on it. I'm gonna try to get it up. If it's not up, I'm going to get it up so you guys can see the whole process of me getting my the side of my head shaved. And I saw some that had like designs and stuff, and I was like, oh, we probably not on that level yet, but I am pretty pleased on how it came out. And so yeah, so I like this. It's a little edgy, a little rocker chickish. I really do like it. But we're not here for the hair, we are here for the Slay Chronicles. And so guys, if you like this look, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. But before you go, like always, if you're not subscribed, I don't know why now you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you are always notified when we upload a new video. Thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate it. And make sure you go check out our cosmetics line at www.bornbeautifulcosmetics.com. You didn't just wake up that way, you were born beautiful.